Hey guys, it's Scott with Scottie B Cards, and in this video I want to look at modern rookie cards and if they're being too devalued. Are modern sports cards being diluted? We all know there's more print run than there has been in the past, but I want to look at a specific example. Mike Trout versus Julio Rodriguez. And it might not seem like a fair comparison. I'm not comparing them as players at all. I'm comparing their rookie cards and how they were printed in 2011 and printed in 2022. So I'm going to be really quick through Mike Trout. I'm going to show all the cards and I will show you roughly how many Mike Trout rookie cards exist compared to Julio Rodriguez. So stay with me. It'll be entertaining. So here are the 7 Mike Trout rookie cards. Mike Trout does not have any rookie inserts. These are them. I'm only picking rookie cards if they have the rookie logo. Like he has a Bowman's Best prospect card from 2011, doesn't have a rookie logo, so for that reason I didn't count it. Has to have a rookie logo, and these are the 7 cards with the rookie logo. You have Bowman Chrome Draft, Bowman Draft, those come in the same product, Bowman Chrome, so this is the more sought after version because it came out before these two. Then you have Bowman Sterling, Topps Update, Topps Finest, and E-Topps. So those are the 7 Mike Trout rookie cards. That's it. No more, no less, just these 7. So let's look at how many of each card exist. E-Topps, you have 999 total copies of this card ever made. And there's actually a rumor that less of these cards got to the public than were actually produced because you had to actually get them online from the E-Topps program, and you had to cash it out from the bank, the vault there, and send it to you. And at the time, it was like $10 to ship a card, and people didn't want to pay that. So that's where this E-Topps comes in, but printed is 999 of them. Then we have Topps Finest. So this base number, it's a hobby-only product, so you're able to use the formula that I use all the time on this channel to figure out roughly how many base cards exist. And there's roughly only 13,500 base cards, and these are all the parallels. Every individual parallel in this set is numbered, so we're left with around 15,000 total Mike Trout Finest rookie cards, including base and all parallels. After that, we have the Bowman Sterling rookie card. This one I actually put as 2,000 for the base, but based off the package, you only get 6 base cards per box, which is crazy because there's 100 base cards on the checklist basically. So there's only about 1,600 of these, but I put 2,000 to round up to be safe. And then the refractors are all numbered as well. The base refractors out of 199, the gold refractors out of 50, black out of 25, purple out of 10, for a total of about 2,284 total cards made of Mike Trout from this year with this image on it. Bowman Chrome, I did not have any calculation to get this. This is an estimate based off of Topps Finest. So this could be a little bit low, but let's say it is a little bit low. Well, probably 25,000 as the most. The refractors are also not numbered, but they're around 3,000 is kind of the generally accepted number on forums. Probably less than that as well. Then you have blue refractors out of 150, gold refractors out of 50, orange out of 25, red refractor out of 5. I did not include super refractors, just the numbered refractors more than 1 is what I did. It's about 23,230 of this card in existence. Bowman Draft, same thought process, about 20,000 of them. They only have 2 parallels, a gold, which is not numbered to 2,000 like the update rookie card, but probably around 2,000 to 3,000 of them have been made. And then the blues are numbered to 499. The Bowman Chrome Draft, about 15,000 of these, less than the paper card because you got 2 paper cards per pack a lot of the times, and you only got 1 chrome per pack a lot of the times. So the refractor is more common than the other Bowman Chrome refractor, so we have 20,000 between those. The purple is about half as rare as the regular refractor, so that's where we got that 2,500. These are assumptions. Again, some of them are firm. If they're hobby only, I can figure it out. But if they have retail releases, it's almost impossible to be exact. Then you have blue at 150, gold at 50, orange at 25, red at 5, so about 23,000-ish for this card. And then the Topps Update rookie card. It has been speculated about 65,000 of these cards exist in circulation and were printed, which is really low in comparison to modern print runs. We did a video on this in the past. There's about 300,000 Julio Rodriguez base rookie cards. But we can see about 65,000 base cards, 2011 golds. The reds are numbered to about 1,000. The blue, the cognac, and the diamond parallels are all numbered about 3,000 to 4,000. I did the low end just because they're pretty similar, actually more rare sometimes than even the gold. Then we have the black to 60, the Hope Diamond to 60, and that is it. It's about 77,631 total update Trout rookie cards exist. So all Mike Trout rookie cards combined, you have the base, you have the parallels, you have the numbered parallels, everything together. Every card that's ever had a rookie logo on it for Mike Trout from Topps is about 165,000 of them out there. Sounds like a lot, but it's really not too high. And we could even be crazy and say it's 200,000. Let's say I undershot it because these cards are actually printed higher. These 2 and this one because they're in retail and I undershot it. Everything else I'm confident about. So 200,000. Now let's compare Trout's rookie autographs to modern autographs. Trout only had 2 rookie autographs. He debuted in July, and because of that, he didn't have many. And back then, though, these players didn't have many rookie sets. They maybe had 5 to 10 at most in 2011. Back in the early 2000s, players had a ton, like Albert Pujols probably has 30 because they're multiple brands. But in 2010, 2011, Topps wasn't as big, and because of that, there's less autographs. So for Mike Trout, every single one of his autographs from his rookie year are numbered. There are no base rookie autographs, just numbered. So we have the base refractor numbered to 499. We have the X-fractor numbered to 299, green to 199, orange to 99. You have the gold to 75, red to 25, mosaic die cut to 10, purple out of 5, and then superfractors, printing plates, whatever else. And the canary parallel, I didn't include those. And then we have Bowman Sterling. He has no base. The refractor is numbered to 109, gold refractors to 50, black to 25, purple to 10, about 194 of them. That is only 1,405 total rookie autographs from Mike Trout. And that's why some of his rookie autographs will go more than his Bowman Chrome autographs, because they're actually more rare when it comes to total printed. Now let's look at Julio Rodriguez. These are all of the rookie cards of Julio Rodriguez released so far. I don't know if this is a lot to you or a little bit to you, but either way, this includes all short prints. Like this is a short print. I actually didn't even include the Ichiro short print. I didn't even include all the cards with a rookie logo on them, but this just shows the difference. Trout, again, only had these 7. Now Julio has this many cards with the rookie logo. And the crazy thing is we actually have at least 19 top sets to be released still, that you have to imagine he has at least 1, if not 2, 3, 4, or 5 rookie inserts included in each set. So like Allen and Ginter, he'll have the base, he'll have the mini, he'll have different inserts, all these different things. Same with Topps Chrome Update, Topps Chrome Sapphire, then we have Topps Gilded, Topps Triple Threads, Topps Mini, Topps Rip, Topps Brooklyn Collection, Topps Finest, Bowman's Best. All of these sets are going to have different inserts. Like we can see here, this is an insert in Topps Fire, these two. And the next thing I want to show with Mike Trout, we have the Topps Update rookie card right here. And you can see that is his only flagship image, while Julio Rodriguez has about 7 different flagship image rookie cards from a flagship set, whether that's Topps or Topps Chrome. So it's kind of a mess. And I wanted to show one thing. There's actually about 285,000 of these Julio Rodriguez base update rookie cards, and that's probably a little bit low. This Mike Trout number is probably a little bit low too, but there's almost double Julio Rodriguez base rookie cards than there are total Mike Trout rookie cards across all sets, all prints, all parallels, all everything. And that's what is kind of interesting about today's market. And I'm not saying that Julio Rodriguez is worse than Mike Trout. Again, it's nothing to do with the player. I want to compare eras and where we are at right now, because I think Julio Rodriguez is awesome, probably the best rookie we've seen since Soto, Acuna, Tatis, Ohtani, maybe the last 5 years or so. He's been great up there with those players, but we're devaluing all of his cards by having so many of them. And this is nothing new. I talk about it all the time, but it really highlights the importance of buying the right cards. Every single version of these cards is not a short print. Like this is a short print, this is a short print, this is a short print, but everything else has a superfractor. Everything else has a 1 of 1, if not a superfractor. Everything else has a number to 25. It just shows it's not the same value. So you need to target the right cards. You need to target the Topps flagship. You need to target the Topps Chrome short prints. You need to target the Topps Finest flashbacks cards, the cards that collectors are going to want. Because everything else here over time is going to lose all of its value, if not all of it, a lot of its value, even if Julio Rodriguez becomes the best player of all time. It's going to be hard to maintain these Throwback Thursday sets, even though they are more scarce because they weren't a pack pulled product. And then you can look at these Topps Fire inserts. They're so much better looking than some of the other cards, but it's Topps Fire. No one wants that. And it's just one of those things. So I wanted to show this not to really bash Julio Rodriguez or anything now, but rather back in the 1990s, a lot of the reasons collectors left the hobby was because there were too many sets. They didn't know what cards to chase. And the Players Association and Topps decided to band together, Major League Baseball as well, so that way there wouldn't be as much confusion. There's only one set. They didn't take into consideration is Topps producing multiple sets every single year under one manufacturer. There's other reasons why Topps won that over other competition, but that was a very simplified version. But I think it's just as confusing whether there's multiple manufacturers, if there's this many sets. It's kind of the same thing for the collector. You have to decide which rookie's best, and we don't really know because trying to speculate this is really difficult. That's why it's always go with the gold parallels from Topps Update. You know, they're less rare than the green shimmer parallels from the same set. It's because it's the iconic parallel. That's generally why they hold a premium. And we see that across other years as well. So takeaways. If you are buying to collect, it has never been better than right now. There are so many cool inserts, so many cards. So enjoy all the great inserts of cards. I'm not saying cards are bad in the modern era. It just takes more skill if you're investing. If you're actually truly viewing yourself as an investor, you need to buy the right stuff, whether it's Topps Chrome, whether it's Topps Flagship, whether it's a specific parallel. You know what I'm saying? You have to make sure you're identifying the premium sets that are actually going to hold value long term. Buy the right sets and parallels and you should be just fine. I don't want to say everything produced from 2018 to modern now is worthless, because that's not true. And we all know that's not true. It might be one of those things where maybe Bowman Chrome autographs should be more sought after because because we know the one Bowman Chrome autograph. We know the one Bowman Chrome first. If they don't have a first, then you trend towards the autograph. It's just one of those things. We know what the first and iconic Juan Soto autograph is, which is his Bowman Chrome autograph, because that is consistent across everybody and viewed as their first. So maybe that's a trend towards Bowman Chrome first more, and I actually get that argument completely. But if you're like me, you're probably more of a rookie collector. I love rookie cards. I like them personally more than Bowman Chrome prospects that are airbrushed and photoshopped to actually show the team's uniforms. But overall, I just want to say be careful. I don't think some people who were in the hobby in this era realize how few of these cards exist compared to what we're seeing today. It is one of those things where, is it a bad thing? No, because a lot of people want to actually have access to these cards. Is it a bad thing for long-term values for the individual card? Probably, if you're actually looking to have long-term value. These cards will never have the same upside as the Mike Trout Topps Update rookie card for that purpose, but they still are collectible, they still are fun, and they're still important to the hobby. I just wanted to show this comparison. I thought it was interesting. Other than that, thank you for watching, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. See ya.